Hey guys, it's Tiffany here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Today's video, I'm going to be doing a full face using only YouTubers makeup products. So this is a look that I'm gonna be doing, and the only products that I use that weren't YouTuber collaborations or YouTuber products were my foundation, my concealer, and my contour. And I did all of that stuff before starting the video since they're not YouTuber products. But if you're curious to know what foundation I use my Fenty Beauty. Let's just pretend that Rihanna is a YouTuber. But for real, I wanted to try the Huda Beauty foundation, but my Sephora didn't have it in store. I was really skeptical about ordering it online because I didn't know what shade I would be. But if you are my shade or you know what Huda Beauty foundation is close to MAC NC45 or Fenty Beauty 370, let me know in the comments so that I can try it out. But anyways, I love all of these YouTubers whose products I purchased. I'm all for supporting other YouTubers. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I did this look, then keep on watching. Okay, so now I'm gonna conceal, and again, this is not a YouTuber product because I couldn't find one, but I'm just gonna use this, and when I set it, I'm gonna use a setting powder that is a YouTuber collab, and I'll show you guys that in a second. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my setting powder, and this is the Patrick Star and Matte collaboration. He had a line of products that he came out with them, and this is just one of them, one of the items that I purchased. And I've actually been using this a lot lately, and I can honestly say that I love it. So I'm gonna just put some into the top. I'm gonna take the number 3 brush from the It's My Ray Ray collection, and I'm going to apply this underneath my eyes to set it. Okay, so for my brows, I'm going to be taking the Precisely My Brow Pencil. This is a collab with Laura Lee and Benefit Cosmetics. And you can see her face on the packaging. It's super cute. And this is what comes inside of this packaging. And I'm going to be using the color, what color is this? I'm assuming number 6 color. I think that, I don't know if there's like a name. I don't see a name, but I think it's just number 6. So I'm going to be using that for my brows. Okay, so I really love that brow pencil. Typically I use the Anastasia Brow Pomade, but I really like that pencil. I think that's probably gonna be my go-to from now on. But now for the eyes, I am gonna be using the Nicole Concilio and Violet DeVos Pro palette. She did a collaboration with them. As you can see, it's like a hologram type of thing. And on the back, it has her face on it. Really cute, she's so pretty. And then this is what the palette looks like inside. It has a bunch of really nice colors. And if you want to see a full review, I'm sure you can go on her channel, and she has a review on her palette, but I'm not gonna do a full review. I'm just wanna show you guys the colors and the palette that I'm gonna be using of hers. And I just realized that I didn't really show you guys the makeup brushes that I'm gonna be using. I showed you each one, but I didn't show you guys like the packaging. It's My Ray Ray did a collab with BH Cosmetics, and this is the box that it comes in. And it's a 9-set brush collection, and these are all of the brushes. So I'm gonna be using these throughout the rest of the makeup tutorial and beforehand. Okay, so first I'm gonna take this brush right here. I'm gonna take the color Bruh right here, and I'm just gonna apply this all on my eyelid as a transition color. So with the same brush, I'm gonna take the color Hangry right here. Where is it? Right here. It's like a tan brownish color, and I'm gonna apply this into my crease. And now I'm gonna take the color Boop Bop, and I'm gonna go over that same color. I want it to be a little bit more brownish. All right, now I'm gonna take the color Gigi on this wet eyeshadow brush. I'm gonna apply this onto my eyelid. That Gigi color is so pretty, but now I'm gonna go back in with Boop Bop and just blend everything together. All right, now I'm gonna take the color Zozo and I'm gonna apply this underneath my brow bone. All right, now I'm gonna dust away my setting powder. And for my inner corner, I'm gonna take the color LA and apply that there. All right, so for underneath my waterline, I'm gonna take the color Hangry and just apply that right there. Alrighty, so before I apply lashes, I'm gonna apply some mascara. This is the Colossal Big Shot Mascara by Maybelline in collaboration with Shayla. And yeah, it's got her face on the back of it. Really cute. And this is what the mascara looks like. And you can get this from CVS and I'm assuming any other drugstore, I'm not exactly sure, but I got mine from CVS. So the lashes that I'm gonna be using are the Cosmetics London Eye Lure with Nicole Guerriero. I can never say her last name properly. Nicole Guerriero. Y'all know who I'm talking about. See her face right there. I've been watching her forever. She's gorgeous. And the lashes are called Wispy and they look like this. And yeah, so I'm gonna apply these off camera. So now to bronze up my face, I'm gonna take the Hoola Benefit Bronzing Powder that Manny MUA collabed with. And I'm gonna take this and bronze it up my cheeks. I've been watching Manny MUA, actually I just started watching him this year. And I'm like obsessed with him. He's so amazing, he's hilarious. And he's just one of my favorite YouTubers, so yeah. This is what the bronzing powder looks like, right here. And I feel like it's almost my skin color, so it might not even show up on my face, but we shall see. All right, so now for my highlight, I'm gonna take the Becca Cosmetics Champagne Pop. That was a collaboration with Jaclyn Hill. And y'all, if y'all don't have this highlighter, you definitely need to get it. This is one of my favorites. And Jaclyn Hill, she is an amazing makeup artist. And yeah, if you don't watch her, check out her channel. She is awesome. I'm gonna take this using a wet beauty blender and I'm gonna apply it that way because I learned that it works best that way. So stinking pretty. I'm telling you guys, you have to get this highlighter. And lastly for my lips, I'm gonna take the Patrick Starr and matte collaboration. This is in the color Mama Star, and it looks like that. And I'm gonna go over top of it with the Mama Star lip gloss that is pretty much the same color. Alrighty guys, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm gonna try to link the YouTubers whose products I use in the description box so you guys can check out their channel if you're not already subscribed to them already. If you guys have any questions about this look or anything else, leave them in the comments and I will see you guys in my next video. Love you guys.